Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting location and time frame so results match your market. Once done, enter 1 to 5 search terms or choose topics to avoid ambiguity. Make sure to compare terms immediately so you see relative interest. Switch filters, web, image, news, YouTube, to understand channel differences. This matters because intent shifts by medium. Finally, select category only if terms are noisy. That narrows results and reduces irrelevant matches, which speeds your analysis. You now dig deeper. Expand subregions and cities to uncover local spikes and underserved markets. Once you spot a spike, toggle related queries to see top and rising phrases. Treat breakout as a signal to investigate further. Make sure to compare multiple timeframes, 90 days versus 5 years, to separate seasonality from growth. Also, use topic matching when synonyms muddy results, and switch search type to isolate intent. These steps let you prioritize valid trends rather than noise. You finish by exporting the CSV and annotating spikes with real-world events or marketing actions. Once exported, merge this data with search volume or social metrics to validate demand and forecast. Use the trend lines to plan content calendar dates, paid campaigns, or inventory changes. Finally, if results look off, try a simple troubleshooting step. Clear browser cache and cookies, broaden or rephrase terms, and verify location and category. That quick check resolves most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.